We want to be sticky and not icky. That's what the young folks are saying now. They give us the ick or whatever, right? We get a little old. I don't know the lingo. So, or if you're Snoop Dogg, you say sticky icky, whatever that is, right? So, all right. I want your best price. You know what? I'm not allowed to give prices over the phone. I know we can make you a great deal, though. That's a little bit icky to the customer. Customers want to hear that. I want the best price. You want the best price? Everybody that buys on the best price buys from?
Honda.
Yeah. If I don't want to give somebody a price, if I took a phone up and I don't want to give them the price, which I don't want to do, right? Unless I have to. If they said, I want the best price on a fully loaded Civic. Oh, great, fantastic. Everybody that calls here gets the best price. I'll be more than happy to give you the best price over the phone. Why do I say I'll give somebody the best price over the phone? Because then what don't I have to do?
Continue to fight.
I don't have to give them the price. But if I go like this, we don't usually give prices over the phone. Now I have to give you the price. You see the difference? It's weird. If I tell somebody I'm going to give them the price, I don't have to give it to them. If I tell them I can't give it to them, what do I have to do?
Give it to them.
No big deal too. No big deal too. Because I'm going to expand the inventory. I'm going to get the trade engaged. There's going to be 3 or 4 steps before I ever give the price. I got about $5,000 negative equity right now. Icky. Well, if you're reasonable, you could probably pick out the right car and if you put a lot of down payment down. No, that's icky. What's sticky? You got $5,000 negative equity? That is...
No problem.
You called the right place. We get people out at $5,000, $10,000. We've gotten $20,000 out. Come on down. Let's do this. Are you promising me you could do it? Heck no, I'm not. I promise you if anyone's crazy enough to do it, though, it's going to be us. Let's go, man. Let's go. And then the people show up, and what happens? We figure out a way to make the deal. If I don't get you here, though, I'm never going to get a shot at making the deal, right?
Yep.
You know what, man? I thought about this. I talked to my wife on the way here. The car's actually her name. We're just going to let it go repo, man. I'm going to put it in my name. So they figure out a way when they get here, don't they? So, do you want to be icky or sticky?
Sticky.
Sticky. Quit telling people you can't help them politely. Just get them in here. As long as you don't what? Literally the only rule. Next.